Welcome to our Mini Transaxle manufacturing facility. Every Mini Transaxle is produced through a strict and controlled manufacturing process. From gearbox housing machining and gear production to shaft assembly and final testing, each component is carefully inspected to ensure consistent quality and performance. Our production lines are equipped with advanced CNC machining centers, precision gear processing equipment, and professional assembly stations. These capabilities allow us to maintain tight tolerances and reliable product consistency. Designed electric carts, agricultural equipment, and low-speed EVs, our Mini Transaxles provide high torque output, compact dimensions, and excellent durability. Each unit undergoes functional testing before shipment, including noise inspection, transmission performance verification, and quality control checks. With years of experience in electric vehicle powertrain development, CMVTE offers customized Mini Transaxle solutions with different gear ratios, motor configurations, and load capacities to meet various application requirements.